on June.
You're not allowed to be a sex molester in DC yet, are you? That's still.
Yeah,
but they like to hide it when it happens. I notice that a lot.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's a lot of that going. There's some serious investigation, from what I understand, going on around a certain person who had an untimely death. Yeah. So anyway, we're not going there. So anyway, in Nevada, and I'm looking at some note here just so I make sure that I give you fresh information. But Nevada is the first state to ban employers from refusing job applicants based on failed marijuana tests. And that happened. That was an article from June 12th, 2019. You can't ban them from working because they failed a marijuana test. So Fox Rothschild says the THC laws are rapidly developing, and employers should consult with counsel. And this is huge because it changes so fast, and that in the class action suits and things that are happening are huge. Yeah. So you want to talk to counsel to make sure that you're on solid ground before you take any adverse action against an employee who has failed or tested positive for marijuana.
One thing that you've said repeatedly is like talk to a lawyer or seek legal counsel. I think especially for businesses like ours that are small businesses, if you did that, you'd be out of business because the bill rate of talking to a lawyer is so outstanding that it's cost prohibitive. You can't charge your customer enough to pass along that cost, which then leaves you to be the interpreter in so many cases. Or the way I'd view it is you just have to be conservative.
Yeah.
You just can't take chances.
I hear what you're saying, but there are a lot of associations and there are a lot of independent self-help law companies out there.
Okay.
There's a lot of
there's like subscriptions now too, like pay monthly and you can get this information. Yeah.
And that's not a universal recommendation.
Right.
Speaking on behalf of my company, our company I work with, but Legal Shield, those are subscriptions that you can reach out to. There are a lot of HR consultants that know these kind of things too. So, and companies like, or organizations like SHRM, the Society for Human Resource Management, even if you're a small business and maybe you are all the above, the HR representative and the, home cleaning person and everything else.
You gotta be, right?
You gotta be, you're all of it. So reaching out to those kind of either associations or subscription legal services such as Legal Shield, they can help you. And yes, there is a lot of research you can do online too. So if you want to reach out to me, there's a couple of things I can provide for you, which would be like the EEOC background screening guidelines. That would be something that you'd want to read so you'd understand. It gives you scenarios like the person did this many years ago and you have this kind of company. Is it okay not to hire them? So there's a lot of help out there. But yeah,